Good day everyone, my name is Chinonso, Mr. Chinonso. In today's class, we'll be looking at capacity in mathematics. In this, we'll be looking at the units, liters and milliliters. Now, one thing you need to know is the definition of capacity. Capacity of an object is the amount of substance, either liquid or solid, it can hold or contain. I'll take it again. Capacity of an object is the amount of substance, either liquid or solid, it can hold or contain. Now we bring out some of the objects we can use to measure capacity. This is a cup, it's a disposable cup. It can be used to measure liquid, maybe water or your soft drink or other form of liquid. We have other capacities here. This is smaller capacity compared to this. This is a water bottle. This is bottled water. It's another form of capacity. And we have a bigger capacity here. So, in any form, we can say capacity is the amount of substance. Substance can be solid or liquid, like your powdered milk. It's a substance which is solid, it's not liquid. So it's powdered form. It can be held or contained. Now what you need to know is that we want to look at the unit used in measuring capacity. Now we have a standard unit for capacity. Capacity is measured in liter, but we have other units here. But the standard unit used for measuring capacity is liter. Now, we'll be looking at the metric table on capacity. Now, the relationship between other units to the other ones we have here. We have millimeters, we have centimeters, we have decimeters, we have liters, we have kilometers. Now, one thing we need to know is that the relationship between this unit from this one. Now, from the metric table on capacity, we have 10 millimeter make 1 centiliter. 10 milliliters make 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters make 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters make 1 liter. 100 centiliters make 1 liter. 10 centiliters make 1 deciliter. 10 centiliters make 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters make 1 liter. 100 centiliters make 1 liter. 1000 milliliters. With this metric table on capacity, you can be able to change from one unit to the other. Now, looking at that exercise 1, we have changed the following into milliliter only. Change the following into milliliter only. Now, we have number 1 in exercise 1, 7 liters. 7 liters. This is the symbol for liter, L. 7 liters. Now we are asked to change it into milliliter. So we have to change liter to milliliter. In doing so, we solve it using our conversion table. Now let's come to this. Now we want to look at the relationship between liters and milliliter. Liter and milliliter. So we can go to the table and check where we have liter and milliliter. Doesn't matter which one comes first, either milliliter and liter or liter and milliliter. So let's cross check this on the table here. We have 10 milliliters make 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters make 1 deciliter. Remember, we are looking for the relation between what? Liter and milliliter. 10 deciliter make 1 liter. 100 centiliters make 1 liter. 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. So we can find liter and milliliter in this word portion. So now let's extract what we have here. We have what? 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. So we write it out in number 1, 7 liter, which is what? The relationship between liter and milliliter is what? 1000 milliliters, which is ml, is equal to what? 1 liter. Now we are given 7 liters. Now we have to put 7 liters under its own what? Group, which is what? This is where we have liters. So we put 7 liters under there. And now we don't know what is given for milliliter. So we can put question mark to what? To get the answer. Now with this, you can cross multiply. Cross multiply. After crossing multiply, you'll see that your unknown, which is your question mark, is facing or is crossing toward 1 liter. So unknown multiply 1 liter. We have unknown times 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 milliliter times 7 liters. 1000 milliliters times 7 liters. Now with this, remember that we don't know what it is, so we have to what? Keep this guy aside by separating unknown with this guy. So if we want to separate unknown from this guy, we divide both sides by the guy that is multiplying unknown. 1 liter is multiplying what? Unknown. So we have to what? Separate it by dividing what is multiplying unknown. Remember, 1 liter is multiplying unknown. So to divide this, we have to what? Divide both sides by the other number, which is 1 liter. Divide both sides by 1 liter. So remember to divide. What do we have common between up and down? 1 liter is down and 1 liter is up. So they can cross each other, leaving what? Unknown. Divide itself. So we have unknown is equal to 1000. Remember what we have in common here? We have 1000, 7, we have 1. What is common? We have liter, they're both common. Now 1000 millimeter, we multiply 7 all over 1. What is 1000 times 7? Using your word table form, you know that 1000 multiplied by 7 is 7000. 1000 multiplied by 7 is 7000 millimeter. Now bringing this down, you have unknown is equal to 1000 milliliter, 7000 milliliter all over your 1. Now 1 divide anything, doesn't change anything, so it remains what? 7000 milliliter. With this, we are able to what? Solve what? Convert 7 liters to milliliters. So we go to number 2. In this form, I have to take off the definition so I can have more space for this. Remember, we are working with what? Liters and milliliters. So we're just looking at the relationship, which is this 1000. So number 2 said what? 4 liters and 540 milliliters. We are asked to change it into what? Milliliters. Now when you see this, you have 2 what? Units. Liters and milliliters. So we separate both by using our addition sign. Now we separated it now. Now remember that said well we should change to milliliters only. We are changing just this to milliliters. So now this is already in milliliter, we just leave this and change just this. Remember our relationship, we said what? 1000 milliliter gives us what? 1 liter, and we don't know what is this. Now by crossing both sides, we have unknown multiply 1 liter, which is what? 1000 milliliter multiply 4 liters. We divide both sides by 1 liter to make what? Our unknown to be alone, which is what? 1000 times 4. Remember, this can go with this. Cancel 8 because they are both identical. 1000 times 4 is 4000. All over 1. So remember, anything divided by 1 doesn't change anything. So with this, we know that 4 liters is equal to what? 4000 milliliter. We are not done yet. From that, we can go back to our question, which says that 4 liters plus 504 milliliters. Now 4 liters is now what? 4000 milliliter, and this is 540 milliliter. Now when you sum them together, you see that you have 4,540 milliliters, which is our answer for number 2. Now to the next question, which is exercise 2. We are asked to what? Change it into what? Liters only. We change into liters only. So we have exercise 2. Number 1. We have 4,500 milliliter. Now we need to know the relationship between what? Liter and milliliter, which is what? 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. Now we have how many milliliter here? 4,500 milliliter, which is what? We don't know this. We cross multiply the same step. Remember that unknown multiply 1000. Milliliter, and 4,500 milliliter multiply 1 liter. Remember that anything that is times your unknown, we have to use it to divide both sides. We divide both sides by 1000 milliliter. This goes because they are identical. Now what is identical here? Just the units. Now we are left with what? Unknown here. And we have 4,500 times 1 times liter is the same thing as 4,500 liters divided by 1000. Now the simple way to divide this is by looking up and down. We have 0. Since 0 ends the number, you can cancel both sides. We have 1 0 up, it goes with 1 0 down, 1 0 up, goes with 1 0 down. So we don't have any 0 up, so we cannot cancel that. We have what? 45 all over 10. 45 all over 10 divided 45 by 10. You have in decimal form. You have what? You count backward. You have 1 0. You just count backward, and your decimal point comes to that point, which is 4.5 liters. So when you transform or you change 4,005 milliliter, it gives you what? 4.5 liters. So with this, I believe you can able to what? Achieve number 2. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you for watching.